Casablanca is due to host the third edition of JMaghreb conference from the 4th through the 6th of November. 50 speakers will take part in the 60th session and 15 workshop conference, an occasion to get to know about best practices, technology trends, enterprise architecture, leadership and entrepreneurship. JMaghreb is a platform for learning, networking and sharing experiences about Java and related technologies, software, craftsmanship and technology trends. Hamid Ben Shqaron contacted Badr Elhouari, director of the conference, for more details.
It is the largest developer conference in Africa and Middle East. The conference is organized by Morocco Java User Group, which is an organization, a non-profit organization for Java User Group in Morocco. So we start only with Java. And last year we had a big accomplishment for being nominated as a GCP EC Executive Committee member. So it's the organization that mastered Java specification all over the world. And we were the first organization to join the seed from the creation of Java. So the first organization from African Arabic world. So we are very proud of it. We as Morocco JAG members, we travel for conferences around the world. Then we have decided to start our own conference in Morocco. With this year we are in our third edition. Last year the conference was very, very successful. We had more than 900 attendees coming from more than 15 countries like Jordan, Tunisia, Egypt, Spain, Portugal, France, South Africa, Cameroon. This year we extend the event to be in 3 days with very more content and large audience. We don't only talk Java, we talk all topics related to developers. We have speakers coming from around the world. We have more than 50 speakers coming from more than 20 countries, which is really, really huge. We decide to extend the networking experience for Moroccan developers with decision makers. So we have organized an afternoon for decision makers, talking about the most relevant IT topics in Morocco. So talking about open source, Internet of Things, digital transformation, and offshoring. With this, we see that all over the world, all people talking about programming for kids. And unfortunately, no one talked about it in Morocco. So if you see in UK, they have decided to be a must in the school to learn programming for kids. Obama talked about the importance of programming for kids. So we have decided to do a small event also for kids during the JMaghreb, during the third day. It's a workshop with with robots, and with games to see the fun of the programming language, to show them how to make games instead of show them how to play games. We have a lot of activities also in parallel. We have a hackathon. We will be holding a hacker garden for the first time in Africa, which is a hackathon and open source project. We have many workshops.
Yeah, and participants are entitled to benefit from this conference in what way?
Yeah, for this year, we have made the registration for the, we have to pay for the registration. You can register on the website, www.jmaghreb.io. This is the only conference with this price and with this quality of content. If you go to Java One in San Francisco, it is $2,200. If you go to DevOps, for example, which is like our conference in Belgium, it's €700. Then we bring the same speakers, we have the same content, the same quality of content, and it's also in our beautiful country.
Yeah, well, when I asked about in what way could participants benefit from this, I was talking about how they could benefit from best practices and technology trends that are in fashion nowadays.
There would be many, all the technology trends, presented by one of the most technologists or evangelists in the world. So we will have for this year, to give you just a forecast about the conference. So we will have all wearable technology, talking about wearable technology. We will have a demo for a jacket with sensors that measure the health of our grandmother. So instead of going to the hospital, you can have the doctor have a dashboard automatically with only jacket you wear with a sensor that can, have all information about your health. We have also, sessions talking about mobile development, web development, game development, cloud infrastructure. So all the development stuff. Yeah.
To take part, I mean, do you have to be a Java specialist, or any ordinary person like me, for example, who doesn't know Java could take part?
Yeah, exactly. That's for as I told you, for the beginning we start with Java technology, because the technology we master, the technology we work for all over the world. But for this year, we enlarge only our audience and our content. So if you are not like the Java guy, you don't know Java, so this is your chance to know all the development stuff. You can learn Java, other programming language from the technology makers. So that's the point. And these guys are very knowledgeable and have like pedagogy to talk to people and so on. Yeah, and we have like the first day is university day, which kind of like for hands-on labs. You can like code with the speaker. If you have never code, you can code with speaker, follow the instruction, and learn some cool stuff.
Okay, thank you very much, Badr Elhouari. You are director of the JMaghreb conference. Thank you so much for joining us on ChaineInter.
Badr Elhouari, director of the third edition of JMaghreb conference.